be a battle.
And RKO to Darren Young.
Tears in my head, they count to me, they understand, they
The Viper strikes RKO. The Viper strikes RKO. I'm not the man. I told you. Spear. The monster. Spear. Reigns is speared Strowman off the stage. Cena. Attitude adjustment power. Cena going for the attitude adjustment.
Goldberg hooking up Jericho.
He got him up.
And Cameron. As if he's